welcome to the Global Pack Team Stunt Show. And today, I'm gonna do bowling, but not just ordinary bowling. Look at these. Race car bowling! Yes, I am gonna drive in this car and run over these giant bowling pins / soda cans. Here we go. All right.
Hey, we got stuff to do. We got stuff to do. Yeah. We got stuff to do. Yeah. My feet hurt.
Oh, for the love. Oh, for the love of. Cindy, please fix this. And Tammy, please. Well, both of you, please fix this while I check on this. Why? Because I'm not a mechanic and you are. Huh, good point. So, Tammy, why are we doing this inside the car? Don't ask me, ask the rider. Wait, I think we found a problem. Wendy, what is it? Sorry, you gotta turn around. What is it? You forgot to push, like, the accelerator, you know, the thing that makes go fast? Yeah, like that. Ow! Uh-oh. Can I fire you? No, because... Oh, right, you're part owner. Ouch.